G'day guys, just detected in this park out here at Howard and come across my first target down here. A jumpy target. It's just down here in the hole. Already dug the plug out. Looks like an old half penny. 1946. Half penny. Sweet. G'day guys, had another target down here in this park. I'm detecting out in Howard, out in Queensland. I think it was a 22 on the Knox. 20, 22, 24, 26. All jumpy numbers, but I dug it out anyway. I think it might be a 1 cent piece. But look at that. Brown bugger. Yep. Oh well, on to the next target. Had another target down here. And dug the plug out already. It's an old tube of toothpaste. Looks old, that one. Cool. On to the next one. Well, got another nice target down here in this vacant block of land. 26. I've already dug the plug out. Turn my machine on. There we go. Another old coin, probably half penny I'd say. Have to clean that one up when I get home. Got another target here guys, that sounds alright. Dug the plug out already. An old juice lid or something. Oh well, just shows that you never know what you will find. Always something different. Anyway guys, on to the next target. Had a nice target down here. 30, 31. Dug it out of the hole already. An old buckle. That's pretty cool. Can't exactly see any markings or anything on it, but that bit there does turn around. So I'm not too sure what that is. If you have a clue, let me know in the comments, please. Thanks guys. On to the next target. Well guys, had another target over here. 31 on the Knox. And another buckle. Oops. Another really old buckle. Cool. Oh, g'day guys. Had another target down here. 16. Already dug it out. And it's an old spoon. Cool. So far I've found a couple of half pennies, a few buckles, and the spoon just now. So I'm just about done at this park. I'll probably head off to a different location, so I'll catch you later.